Welcome to our in-depth exploration of the robot revolution and its profound impact on the manufacturing landscape. Let's embark on a journey through the key aspects of this transformative trend, delving deeper into each element and its implications for the future of production. Industrial robots, the backbone of automation. These powerful machines are no longer confined to science fiction. They have become an integral part of modern factories, performing a wide range of tasks with increasing precision and efficiency. From intricate assembly lines to heavy-duty welding operations, industrial robots are revolutionizing the way products are made. Equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, they interact with their environment with greater autonomy, adapting to changing conditions and optimizing processes. AI and machine learning, empowering robots with intelligence. The integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning has taken robot capabilities to a whole new level. Robots can now analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make informed decisions based on their findings. This allows them to adapt to changing circumstances, learn from experience, and continuously improve their performance. Machine learning algorithms enable robots to refine their movements, optimize production processes, and even predict potential issues before they arise. The power of connectivity, a networked revolution. The Internet of Things, IoT, has woven a web of connectivity, allowing robots to communicate seamlessly with each other, machines, and even human operators. This real-time data exchange enables real-time monitoring of production lines, predictive maintenance, and dynamic adjustments to optimize efficiency. The ability to share information and collaborate across the network opens up new possibilities for flexible manufacturing and responsive production systems. SMEs embrace automation, a level playing field. Advancements in robot technology have made automation accessible to a wider range of businesses, including small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs. Collaborative robots, designed with affordability and ease of use in mind, are opening doors for increased productivity and competitiveness for these organizations. SMEs can now leverage the power of robots to streamline operations, reduce costs, and compete effectively in a globalized market. Humans and robots, a collaborative future. The rise of robots does not signify the demise of human involvement in manufacturing. Instead, it ushers in a new era of collaboration, where humans and robots work side by side, each contributing their unique strengths. While robots handle repetitive tasks with precision and tireless efficiency, humans focus on creativity, problem solving, and complex decision-making. This complementary partnership enhances productivity, innovation, and the overall effectiveness of the manufacturing process. Evolving skill requirements, adapting to the changing landscape. The robot revolution has created a demand for specialized skills in robot programming, maintenance, and data analysis. Upskilling and training programs are crucial to ensure a workforce prepared for the changing landscape. Educational institutions and training programs need to adapt to equip individuals with the necessary skills to thrive in this evolving environment. Beyond manufacturing, a ripple effect on the economy. The impact of the robot revolution extends far beyond factory walls, influencing economic growth, job creation, and industries related to robotics and automation. While concerns about job displacement and income inequality require careful consideration, the potential for increased productivity, new industries, and economic growth should not be overlooked. Proactive solutions, such as retraining programs and social safety nets, are essential to mitigate potential negative impacts and ensure an equitable distribution of the benefits. Emerging technologies, shaping the future of production. The future of manufacturing goes beyond traditional robots. Autonomous vehicles, drones, and 3D printing are transforming production processes, offering new possibilities for customization, rapid prototyping, and decentralized manufacturing. These emerging technologies, coupled with advancements in robotics and AI, are paving the way for a more flexible, responsive, and efficient manufacturing landscape. The robot revolution is an ongoing journey, continuously shaping the future of manufacturing. While it offers immense potential for efficiency, productivity, and economic growth, addressing workforce transitions, ethical considerations, and responsible use of robotics technology are crucial for a successful and equitable future. By embracing the opportunities and addressing the challenges, we can harness the power of the robot revolution to create a more prosperous and sustainable future for all.